Forget the rest of the series. I can go to sleep a happy man. Did you see Joel Embiid curb stomp Grant Williams in Game 3?
Finish him!
Jesus Christ.
I've said time and time again, if there's a group of Grant Williams haters, I'm amongst them. If there's only one, it must be me. If there are none, I'm no longer on the planet. He is the only human being who I would pray on their downfall. I can't stand that motherfucker. And to see him get stomped as if he was battling Seth Rollins for the WWE World Heavyweight Championship brought a smile to my face. Just look at man's on the ground, writhing in pain. Encore! Encore! Look at Jaylen Brown.
Look at you!
Curb stomped his teeth so far down his throat he gotta stick his toothbrush up his ass to brush him. But all hating aside, didn't it look like Joel Embiid was trying to get the 2-for-1 special? If you take this out of context, Draymond Green definitely got some competition as the NBA's enforcer.
Now go kill him! Die! Perfect!
Out here trying to recreate scenes from American History X. The moment Grant Williams tried to pick his head up, Joel Embiid said, "Put your motherfucking head back down, pussy." Had so much hardwood in his mouth, Game 5 gonna be streamed on OnlyFans. But what's crazy to me is despite how bad it looked, man's only got 4 stitches. I figured man's would probably have CTE, sporadic CJD, some sort of brain injury with how hard he got hit foot square on the medulla oblongata, but this man is made of vibranium or something. Nevertheless, the Celtics won this game and took a 2-1 series lead, but today the Sixers evened the series at 2 apiece after James Harden came up clutch. All I care about in Game 5, 6, and/or 7 is Grant Williams getting stomped on again. I don't want his health to be in question. You know, that man got to live his life. Outside of basketball, he still is a human being. But as long as I see that man on the court, I want him executed.
Fuck you, bitch! Snake, are you okay? Snake? Snake!
I really shouldn't be this much of a hater, but as a Heat fan, I got issues with Grant Williams. What did he do? Go watch their series last year, and you'll find out. No disrespect to the Celtics, no disrespect, but I don't like Grant Williams. I don't like the way he looked. I don't like the way he speak. I don't like the way his mouth move when he talking to referees. I don't like the way his nose is built. I don't like the crispness of his hairline. I don't like the way that he tucks his jersey into his pants. I don't like the way he ties his sneakers. I don't like how high his socks are. I don't care about the way that he messes around and exhales. Everything Grant Williams, I am opposed of. You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button!